Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix scripts not working in Roblox Xeno. First, always confirm your script's exact location within the Explorer window. Make sure it is enabled and not accidentally commented out. Immediately check the output window for any error messages. This is your first clue. A quick review of these initial steps can often resolve many common issues, saving you valuable development time and effort. Next, let's identify common coding errors. Look carefully for syntax mistakes, such as missing parentheses or curly braces, and ensure all capitalization is correct. Verify that every variable name is spelled consistently throughout your script. Also, double-check your event connections to confirm they are properly linked to the right functions, as incorrect connections are a frequent source of problems. To effectively debug, start by using print statements to track your script's execution path and observe variable values at different points. You can also set breakpoints in Roblox Studio to pause the script on specific lines, allowing you to inspect its state. Furthermore, examining the call stack helps you understand the sequence of function calls leading up to an issue, providing crucial insights. Finally, consider external factors. Sometimes, other scripts or recent game updates can cause conflicts, so test your script in isolation if possible. For detailed information and examples, consult the Roblox Developer Hub, which is an excellent resource. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to seek help from the vibrant Roblox developer community forums. Many experienced users are ready to assist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.